Hey Matthew, want to say hi?
Hi, what's up? We're just going fishing.
2015.
I'm gonna catch
Connor.
a bass. Hi. My dad's dad.
Matthew, it's going on YouTube, buddy. 2015 camping trip. We're not in Algonquin Park this year. We are at a lake called Macintosh, which is a hunter's cabin. Hold on, I try to zoom in. Why can't I zoom in? Yeah.
Don't put this video on YouTube because I swore.
What's that, Matthew?
Stop. Stop. Get the lake.
And this is our lake. We plan to fish.
Go show them the.
I heard you, buddy. I
Go
heard you.
show them our campsite.
Okay.
Show them the campsite.
Yep. Our campsite is through there. Our tent is way up in there. We're gonna have a fire here tonight. Watch it recording. Recording. Watch how you bounce.
We're gonna try have a fire on the rock tonight.
Watch how you move around it.
And this is our campsite. And some names carved in here. I think my dad's is in here. It's pretty cool. And this is our campsite. We're gonna sit. This is our tent. Firewood. Bags, our food, and the gun. I'm gonna take some shots. And yeah, here's some names too. 72, 93, 82. Max, I think it says right there. A bunch of names. So, look at this lake. Look, it's like, here you go.
Still recording?
Gotta X that out, okay?
Yeah. Anyways, my name's Charlie. And once again, come here, Matt, get in the picture. Matthew, come on. My name's Charlie. This is Connor and Matthew, and this is the Santino Boys weekend fishing trip.
Fishing.
Yeah, that's all it's about. Catching some fish. We're going to try some, see how they taste, and a little different this year than last, but we're here. We're going to stay here for 3 days. We'll have a good time. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.
Dad, delete that.
Yeah.